Ragni continues its development abroad. And it's in Senegal, in the city of Dakar, that this family SME based in Cagnes-sur-Mer has installed 1,000 solar streetlights. Everything began with a call for world supply won by Ragni. A new challenge for this company created in the 1920s, which has been able to position itself among the French leaders of public lighting. Innovation, creativity, and above all, responsiveness are key strengths. It's firstly in the design office that the engineers conceive this product that must comply with precise specifications. The company has 4 production sites that allow it to produce in quantity. For this project, external partners were also solicited. Suppliers who were all French, like Prestocab based in Tourcoing. This subcontractor for electronic board wiring was chosen by Ragni to form the core of this solar light made in France. A few kilometers away, the company Feel also participated in the project. Role: designing electronic components to enable the LEDs that make up the unit to shine. And finally, back in the Alpes-Maritimes at Pégomas, Tournaire Solar Energy has designed and produced the modules required for the equipment of the poles. At Ragni, workshops were also running at full throttle for 1 month. The wiring, the light, the console, painting and assembly have all been done here to control 100% of the production and offer customers a tailor-made, innovative quality product for optimal photometry. Each piece of aluminium is first cleaned and degassed to remove impurities before being painted. The technique used is thermocoating, a projection of polyester powder that once baked and consolidated will provide better resistance over time. Once all the parts are assembled, they're shipped to Dakar. A big logistical job also managed in Cagnes-sur-Mer. In all, 14 containers were needed to carry 1,000 solar streetlights. Each step is totally controlled by Ragni to ensure ever more efficient and environmentally friendly products.